about one more thing from the Ramana Maharshi quotation, which inspired me. And that quotation is, he said that all night, every night, everybody is experiencing the ultimate bliss. But in the morning, they are not realizing it because at the time they are sleeping. In the deep sleep, the ultimate bliss is happening. But because they are sleeping, they are not doing it. Every day morning, they are living like a beggar's life. But the moment you experience one time the ultimate bliss with awareness, one time only, that he said that everybody starts living the emperor's life instead of beggar's life. He said emperor's life. So that kind of a change it will bring, my dear friends. So for me, it was ultimate bliss is the one, basically, if you get only one time itself, the complete satisfaction happens that you don't feel like doing any other. That means everything is, you got everything out of it. It's not like whatever I got is initially the first time I said, right, that is just a little bit lesser than the ultimate bliss, actually. Little bit lesser than the ultimate bliss. That's the reason I want that second time. Even Vivekananda also was getting it. He also thought the same thing. That is ultimate bliss, he thought. But his Guruji said that I'm locking that. Ramakrishna Bhamsa, he said that I know that I locked it. You'll not get it another time. Because the moment you get it, you do not feel like doing anything. All your purpose of life, purpose of your soul, everything is completed, right? So that kind of a satisfaction, that kind of a contentment it will give. So I'll tell my experience also. In 2014, the moment I got it, the second time and third time and few times, I got complete satisfaction. From that point again, it will be two decisions. One decision you need to take. Either you wanted to leave this world like in the blissful state like that only. Otherwise, you wanted to continue for any reason. You just wanted to continue and be there in the world and just to improve the world or any other things, just to save to just give back to the world. Already, the moment you got the bliss, that means that you already giving back also completed, friends. Giving back also it's completed. Then only you'll get that kind of a ultimate bliss happening continuously. Okay? Then again, I was just because I got everything. The kind of again, I was just feeling. Even I stopped my meditations and everything, and for some time I stopped it, and again the ultimate bliss was automatically. It's like, no, it is reducing. The more the sadhana I'm having, the more and more it's coming. The lesser sadhana and the more the no meditation it's coming, going back, subsiding. And till now also I say that myself as sadhak only. The reason is the ultimate bliss is coming every day, few times, 2 minutes, 10, or if I want, it will be there for 1 hour or 2 hours, sometimes 2-3 hours. After my meditation, it will continue for some more time. And last year, it was there for 3 hours continuously. 3 days, sorry, 3 days. 3 days it was there continuously. Whenever I want, it will be coming, and it will stay for 1 hour or 2 to 3 hours. And still I'm progressing. I'm in progress. To where I'm going means ultimate bliss to happen it continuously 365 days, all 24/7. I'm going towards that direction. But still I'm not going with attachment, or if it comes, it comes. Otherwise, no need to hurry. Kind of that kind of because I already got this much. I'm not having that much the crazy desire like earlier also. I want second time. That intense desire also I was not having.